In front of me is Oukitel WP35, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download free app from Flare2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, launch it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!